Hi everyone, this is the unboxing video of the Philips Style Care Advanced Heated Straightening Brush model number BHH880. Here's the package with me, and it's a long rectangular box. On the front you can see there's an image of the straightening brush itself, and it states naturally straight hair in 5 minutes with Cara Shine protection. There are some basic features mentioned here on the bottom, like Silk Pro Care, keratin infused ceramic coating, 2 temperature settings, triple bristle design, and large paddle shaped brush. And on the back there is some basic retail information given here together with the customer care details, so you can reach out to them in case you are facing any problem while using this straightening brush. So yes, that's all about the package. Let's unbox and see what's inside. So this is the warranty card, and this straightening brush comes with a 2-year warranty, so it's a good deal. Here is the user manual. It contains all the important information about this straightening brush, so you should definitely read it once before using this brush. Now this is the straightening brush from Philips. It's handy, compact, and light in weight. Talking about the body, it has a beautiful matte finish on the back side and glossy finish on its handle. It's a paddle shaped white brush. Talking about the bristles, it has a triple bristle design for better styling. On the center of this straightening brush, there is the power button to switch off and switch on this straightening brush. This button is also used to change the temperature modes, and here is the LED light indicator. If we look at the bottom of this brush has 360-degree rotating cord, and it also has this rubber hook to hang this brush for storage purpose. Now talking about the cable looks strong and long. The quality is good. So yes, overall the body and design of this straightening brush looks quite good. So that was all about the unboxing of the Philips Style Care Advanced Heated Straightening Brush, and for more videos like this, stay tuned.